Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So this is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So this is Nifty's chart. So today what happened, Nifty surprisingly gapped up. So this is why when I say market is very unconditional, this is what I mean. If you guys see, I was expecting a down, uh, but it did not come to my level, so I did not get any trades. And this I did not trade at all because I know there is triangle and straddle in this zone. So I'm gonna stay quiet till this sideways market is over. But I really have to get rid of all this analysis now because basically it has gapped up. If it gaps up again tomorrow, then most probably we can expect a bullish momentum again, because here I don't see any kind of sellers pressure. That is why market gapped up. So let's see how market opens tomorrow and then take trades. But if you ask me where will I short it, I'm still sticking to the same values, that is 19,670, 680. Post that only I'll be shorting the market. It has to breach this level, only then I'll be looking forward to short it. And buy is only post 19,870. Okay, only after that we'll be buying. Before that we don't have any trades, at least I don't have any trades. Next is Bank Nifty. If you guys see, Bank Nifty did not come to our levels, it gapped up straight. Good thing I did not carry forward any positions here. But it's still on sideways. So if you guys see, this is on a sideways market. Okay, this is on a sideways market. So now this is a recent resistance for us, and this is the recent support. Okay, this is the recent support. Market is going sideways. It's because many sellers and buyers, they have a lot of their positions here and some profit booking is coming inside. And if it gaps up again tomorrow, I'll be looking forward to buy only post 43,860. Above that I'll be looking forward to buy it. Sell, I'm still seeking to the same level, that is 43,000, 43,530 and lower. If it comes, I'll be selling it. Okay, so next is US oil. US oil, so I tried trading here, but I'm just testing a new strategy. So I entered it here. SL got hit here, again another SL got hit here. This gave us a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, but good thing was all these are not traded. These are just for the new strategy testing. So this is not a profitable strategy, so most probably I'll be testing this for 30 days straight, and let me see if it works out, then I will bring it in. But for now, let me get rid of all these things and analyze it. First is daily time frame. On a daily time frame, markets on a down phase. Okay, this is a down phase, and this is a good support. So higher low, higher low, higher low, this is another high. Okay, so what will I do is, so here's where my key level setup has started. So let me mark that. This is Friday's last candle, this is Monday's first candle. Just a minute. Friday's last candle, Monday's first candle. So let me mark it. Because this candle is getting engulfed by this candle, we can use this level for now. So we did take a trade here and it gave us a good risk to reward ratio. So until unless this level is crossed, I won't be shorting it. That is, this level is not crossed, I won't be shorting it. This will be my target. So this is how this trade is gonna look. Here it's going for some liquidity grab, and this is another rejection. So this is for US oil. Next is gold. Gold, what happened was yesterday, day before, gold gave us some. Yesterday we had a good opportunity in gold, we entered it and we're still holding it. So if you guys see, we entered it here, and we entered it here, this, and we're holding it. Okay, so it gave us 1:4 risk to reward ratio. Here we had a stop loss and here we had a stop loss, and this is a key level strategy. So it has given us a good risk to reward ratio. See, here is where you guys see this level. This place is where people will lose their patience and they give up. Okay, but I was holding this trade, so I was able to capture all the good momentum. I really trust on my strategy, guys, so that's how this thing works. So for now, if gold sustains this level, that is, if it sustains anywhere above 2000, we can definitely, I will definitely buy it and hold it till 2050. Okay, so this is the trade for gold. We have 4 to 5 stock for swing trading. First one is Astral. I have these are my old drawings. Get rid of these. Yeah. So Astral was in a good uptrend. Now it is side. So this is called as a flag and pole pattern. It can come even like this. Sometimes the flag forms, but it's fine, totally fine. So this is a trend line. This trend line, it has taken resistance like once, twice, and thrice. It has given a breakout. If I get one more candle here surviving, then I will definitely look forward for a buy. Okay, I'll be using my risk management and buying accordingly, and after this I'll be buying full position. That is, I'll be buying 50% here, then after this I'll be buying 100%, because this is the high. Once this high is crossed, we don't know till where it's going, but this 50% I'll book profit here, and after that it will be a fresh trade. Okay, so that's for Astral. So my entry will be 1950 to 1952. My stop loss will be 1899. Next is Bharat Forge. Same story again, uptrend and a pullback. Bharat Forge, if it crosses 1080 and sustains it, definitely looking forward to buy it. And this is the target, that is 1140. This is the target. So basically, the giving 1:4 is the reward ratio. This is also a good stock to trade. Let's see how the market opens tomorrow, and then we can look forward to buy it. Next one is DB Realties. DB Realty on a weekly time frame, it was on a monthly time frame, it was on a sideways, and it started going up on daily time frame. So this was a good resistance which was broken, and this is a resistance level which got broken today. Okay, so definitely this is a good stock to buy according to me. Okay, so I will buy it at 220 or 225 rupees. I'll buy it. My stop loss will be 198. 98 to 195 will be my stop loss. Okay, so I'll be holding this. This is a long term holding stock because this stock performs on a sideway most of the time, but this is a good stock, so I'll definitely buy it. Godrej Properties has given a breakout on a pullback. It has given a breakout. If you see on a daily time frame, this is an uptrend. Yeah, this is a clear uptrend on a daily time frame. It has taken support twice, that is once and twice. Now there is a higher probability that it can come down little bit, so we get an entry. But even if it goes anywhere around 1920, I will buy it, and my stop loss will be 1713. I know it is a big stop loss, but I might reduce it a little. So this is how my trade's gonna look, and my target would be 2520. Next one is Max Finance. Max Finance was also on an uptrend, sideways. Okay, this is what gives me good confirmation to enter trades, guys. Okay, this sideway market. Yeah, if sellers had to bring it down, they would have easily bought it down, but no, buyers have pushed it very easily up. So tomorrow I'm entering this with 980. Yeah, 980 I'll be purchasing this, and my stop loss will be 945. So that's it for today's market analysis video. I hope you guys got something valuable, and I've uploaded a strategy video today in the morning, so please watch that. It's a very good strategy. Okay, so if you guys watch it, you guys know that's a second setup of mine for swing trading. And if you guys like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.